Here with the scoop on that is Jody Towns, the founder of HealthNow Expo, and Dr. Pablo Pritchard of Vincere Cancer Center. Good to see you both.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for coming on today. Okay, for people who haven't heard of it, Arizona's Ultimate Health Expo, what can we see and do there?
Well, it is a free event. It's coming up this Saturday on March 2nd. It's going to feature 30 plus healthcare and medical providers across the valley. So what I put together is basically top physicians, top medical services, basically anything health and medical related you will find at this expo. So it's really for everyone.
And we're kind of looking at just some of the things that you will see and do there. Why is it important for people to stop by this event?
This is a perfect opportunity to get in front of physicians and ask your questions. So I really encourage anyone who's attending to come in mind with what you want to find out. If you are currently dealing with anything medical related or you have a loved one, this is the perfect expo to actually come and interact with the doctors. And Dr. Pritchard is a great example of what to expect.
And Dr. Pritchard, why don't you tell us why you're a part of HealthNow Expo?
Well, for some of those reasons, the Health Expo is showing off, new technologies as well as, tried and true technologies, and being able to display those to, people in general. Where else can you go in and ask questions of a doctor other than, a doctor's appointment? And so we're trying to show from our perspective, cancer treatments and anti-cancer prevention therapies at the Expo.
Now, the Vincere Cancer Center, tell us a little bit more about that. I know Vincere stands for something.
Yes, so Vincere stands for to conquer, and in this case, conquering your cancer. And so we're very proud of having some of state-of-the-art radiation therapies. We're kind of a full-service cancer center and integrate state-of-the-art therapies with integrative medicine, things like the Chopra Center. I'm familiar with Deepak Chopra. Will be the first Deepak Chopra Center outside of his main center in California. So very excited about that, but also excited about some of the therapies we bring to the community. We launched recently our screening for first responders, and as we kind of learned from the 9/11 attack, the first responders, high proportion of them getting cancer. And so we knew that that is a high-risk group. And things like lung cancer, for instance, once you're getting the symptoms for that, very hard to treat. And it's a very poor prognosis. But we've already caught a couple lung cancers in the first responders that we screened. 40-year-old, for instance, with lung cancer that we caught super early, that was resected, and he's actually cured.
So those screenings, super important there, and that's one of the things that we can learn at the HealthNow Expo. Why else would you tell people plan to attend?
Yes, I mean, again, this is a perfect opportunity to just learn about the latest. I really consider all of these exhibitors health gems in the community that people just don't know about. So some of these things are very traditional. Some of the things that you're going to see are not so traditional, but that's okay. I'm all about just empowering all of us to really take our health in our own hands and learn as much as you can, because in the event that you need to go to a cancer center or you need some other medical care, it's just really important that you know what's out there and that it's not all about just prescription drugs. It's about all kinds of different modalities that are available to the public. So just everyone come. This is men, women, families, all ages, free admission. It's going to be a great event.
Yes. It's a great chance to really get your questions answered. Again, everyone, it is Arizona's Ultimate Health Expo coming to Scottsdale Saturday, March 2nd from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. And if you mention Arizona Midday, you will be entered to win a $100 dining card. Again, head to healthnowexpo.com or call the number on your screen.